Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Addressing a loose circuit breaker promptly is crucial for safety and preventing electrical issues like flickering lights, intermittent power, or unexplained tripping. Before attempting any fix, absolute safety is paramount. Always begin by locating your main electrical service panel, often found in a basement, garage, or utility closet. Once you've identified the problematic breaker, it might feel wobbly, make a buzzing sound, or simply not stay firmly in place. The very first step, and I cannot stress this enough, is to turn off the main power supply to your entire home. This is not just flipping the individual loose breaker. You need to switch off the large main breaker that cuts power to the entire panel, ensuring no electricity flows through any circuits while you work. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm that the power is completely off inside the panel before proceeding. With the main power off and verified, carefully remove the screws securing the dead front cover of your electrical panel. This cover protects you from accidentally touching live components. Once the cover is off, you'll have a clearer view of the bus bar and the individual breakers. Now inspect the loose breaker. Is the entire breaker unit wiggling where it clips onto the bus bar? Or is it just the wire connected to the breaker that feels loose? If the wire connecting to the breaker's terminal screw is loose, this is often the easiest fix. Using an appropriately sized screwdriver, typically a flathead or Phillips depending on the screw type, gently but firmly tighten the terminal screw. Ensure the wire insulation is not caught under the screw and that the bare copper conductor is securely clamped. Do not over-tighten, as this can strip the screw or damage the wire, but make sure it's snug enough that the wire cannot be easily pulled out. A loose wire connection is a common cause of heat buildup and arcing, which can lead to fire hazards. If the breaker itself is loose where it clips into the bus bar, this indicates a potentially more serious issue. First, try to firmly push the breaker back into place, ensuring it's fully seated and engaged with the bus bar. Some breakers have a distinct click when properly installed. If it still feels wobbly or doesn't secure properly, the breaker itself might be faulty, or the bus bar clips within the panel could be worn. In such cases, the breaker likely needs to be replaced. To replace it, you'd first disconnect the wire, then unclip the old breaker from the bus bar, and finally, clip in the new one, reattaching the wire securely. Always ensure the replacement breaker is of the identical amperage and type. If you are at all uncomfortable with this step or suspect bus bar damage, it is highly recommended to call a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and specialized tools to diagnose and safely resolve more complex electrical issues, ensuring your home's electrical system remains safe and up to code. After addressing the loose connection or replacing the breaker, carefully reattach the dead front cover, securing all screws. Then, return to your main breaker and switch the power back on. Finally, test the affected circuit by plugging in an appliance or turning on lights to ensure everything is functioning correctly and the breaker remains firm. Remember, if you ever smell burning, see sparks, or encounter persistent issues, always err on the side of caution and contact a licensed electrician immediately. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful home maintenance tips.